It is really so difficult if you continue to ask questions that you can't answer. Being a mother and losing a child, there's something about that loneliness that no matter who you're with or how much support you have, it's just hard to fill that space with anything that feels okay. You know, you never stop wondering why and what if and why did he choose it. But again, I have a resilience that decided, and it was something that came to me, that I was not going to die after him. I had to do something else. I had to change. So everything in my life is different now. But there was a part of me that needed to find the light in the dark, because I felt if I sat cursed in the dark, I'd just get deeper and deeper into that. Even if your life transforms and changes completely, it doesn't mean that you can't have moments of happiness. You can't, while you can have moments of absolute hitting the ground in darkness and death, and suicide in particular leaves you with so many unanswered questions. It is really so difficult if you continue to ask questions that you can't answer. So what I would say is, you can look in another direction and you can start to do something else. And many people do. They do volunteering, they become fundraisers. So this is my way of giving back, is to show that there is a way to find light in even the darkest of places, 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 darkest of places.